Hi. So today the topic is polynomial division. See, divide this by this. Okay. So we are dividing this. So this is dividend. Okay. This is called dividend. So we are dividing this by this. So this is divisor. Okay. This is divisor. We have before doing division process. First, what you have to do? First, what you have to do? Consider this polynomial. Okay. So these are called terms. 2x where this is one term, 3x is another term, plus 1 is another term. There are three terms in this. So what we have to do? We have to arrange the terms in the decreasing order of power of x. That means if you consider x variable, decreasing power means here whatever it is there here. For example, I have in a. So a is the power of x. Whatever number we have, that is called power of x. I said decreasing order of powers of x. That means if you take for example there are x to the 5, x to the 4, x to the power of 1 like this. Decreasing order of powers of x means you consider the powers. Okay, decreasing order means first highest power. Here 5 4 1 is there, which is highest 5. So first will be x to the 5. Next after the 5, which is next immediate less number, I mean less than this 4 is 3, sorry, this 4 less than 5 is 4. So next this 4. After this one is less than 4, so x to the power of 1. So this is decreasing order of powers of x. Okay. So decreasing order means first power should be highest. Here 5 is bigger. Then less than this 5, 4. Then less than this 4. This is 1. So this is decreasing order of powers of x. Okay. So we have to arrange the terms of this polynomial in the decreasing order of powers of x. Okay. First, that is the first thing we have to do. Before that, I will rewrite this polynomial and I will show you. I am taking this polynomial as it is 2x square plus 3x plus 1. 2x square you write as it is. Here 3x is there plus 3x. See, this x can be written as x to the power of 1 because x is equal to x to the power of 1. Both are same. So just to make you understand, I am writing x as x to the power of 1 plus next this one you keep as it is. We need to arrange the terms in the decreasing order of powers of x. That means we should have x in each term. Here x, okay. But here only number 1 is there, x is not there. So for that we can write x to the power of 0. 1 into x to the power of 0 because x to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So 1 into x to the power 0 means this 1 into x to the power 0 means 1, that is equal to 1 into 1 is equal to 1. We get 1 only. So this 1, okay, this 1 is equal to 1x to the power of 0. We can write 1 as like this. That's why I am written here. Okay. Okay. Now see which term contains the x which has highest power. So before that, so here we have here also x, here also x, here also x. Which x has highest power? 2 only, right? 2 is greater than this 1 and this 0 also. So 2x square is the term which contains highest power of x. So you have to take this whole term first. Okay. Next 2 is over. Next consider the power of x in the next term, which is less than 2. 1, of course 0 is also less than 2, but first we have to consider immediate next number which is less than 2. So after 2 less than means this 1 only. So consider this entire thing. Plus after this, after 1 0 is less than 1. Now we have to consider this x to the power of 0. So consider whole term 1 into x to the power of 4 0. Here the point is this polynomial itself is already in the form of decreasing order of powers of x. Okay, first 2, then 1, then 0. Okay, here it is okay, but in some cases they will give like this, x cube plus x to the power of 5 and all. In this case we have to arrange. Okay, we have to arrange the terms in the decreasing order of powers of x. Since in the given polynomial the terms are already in the form of decreasing order of powers of x, so we get, after we write like this also we get the same polynomial again. Okay, so this x power 1, x power 0 I have written to make you understand. So I will write the same polynomial, because when you simplify this we get same thing, 2x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay, we get the same polynomial because already the powers are in decreasing order only. So but I will consider this 2 plus x. Okay, so this we can write, this 2 can be written as 2 into x to the power of 0. X to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So 2 into 1 is equal to 2 only. So 2 can be written as 2 into x to the power of 0. Then this plus x. Okay. So and this x can be written x to the power of 1. Like this we have written, no? Here x to the power of 1. Same way. Here, first consider the highest power of x, which is here 0 is there, here 1 is there, which is highest power 1 only. So this x has the highest power. First write this term, entire thing, x to the power of 1. Next to less than 1 is 0. So this term contain the x that has power less than 1. So take this entire thing, 2 into x to the power of 0. But x to the power of 1 is equal to x only, plus this x to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So 2 into 1, 2 only will get. Okay. This x to the power of 1, x to the power of 0 I have written only to make you understand. So this is decreasing, we have written this polynomial 2 plus x in the decreasing order of powers of x. So that time we get this 2 plus x becomes x plus 2. Okay. First, this step is very important before starting polynomial division. Very important. Writing the terms in the decreasing order of powers of x in both the polynomials. Okay. Now, first write the dividend for dividing the polynomials. Dividend is what? This. Decreasing order of powers of x, we get this. So this we have to consider for dividing 2x square plus 3x plus 1. This is dividend. Next to divisor we have to write. This you don't write. Decreasing order of powers of x. Of this, when we wrote this in decreasing order of powers of x, so we get this x plus 2. This x plus 2 you have to write here, not this 2 plus x. Okay. Okay. Now we have to continue division process. I will show now. So, you know how we got this? First, we have to write like this. This polynomial decreasing order of powers of x. Then divisor, not 2 plus x. Decreasing order of powers of x is x plus 2. Now we have to proceed division process. Okay. The first step is, once again I am repeating, given the polynomial should be in the decreasing order of powers of x before starting division process. Now actual division process starts. Now what you have to continue, do that. So consider the first term of this dividend. What is that? 2x square. Next consider this first term of divisor. What is that? X. Now what you have to do? We have to eliminate this 2x square by subtracting same 2x square like this. Okay. 2x square, we should get 2x square, so that when we subtract we get 0. Okay. Okay. So now the point is we have to eliminate it by subtracting 2x square from 2x square. So 2 To get another 2x square here, what we have to do, so we want 2x square. First consider this, we want 2x square. To get 2x square, we have to multiply first term of this divisor by some some variable or number. Just think about something. When you multiply this x by that, we should get 2x square. What is that? 2x, right? See, take this x, okay? If you multiply this x by 2x, we get 2x square, okay? Now, this 2x you have to write here, okay? Right? Now we have to multiply this 2x with this. 2x into x, we get 2x square. That you write here. Next we have plus 2 is there. First plus is there. Here also plus is there. Plus into plus, plus only. This 2 into 2x will get 4x. Okay. Now we have to minus. So we have to do subtraction. When you do subtraction, we have to change the signs of this the polynomial which is going to get subtracted. This we are going to subtract. So here plus is there. So when we change plus, it will become minus. Here plus, it will become minus. Now we are subtracting. So here plus is there, here minus is there. Plus into minus, minus. That means we have to subtract this 2x square from 2x square. So since both are same, cancels out. Okay. Which is bigger here? Both are same. So whichever the sign we can consider. Actually, it's completely cancelled out. So don't bother about this. Now come for this part. See, here plus is there, here minus is there. Plus into minus, minus. That means you have to subtract. Subtract smaller number from bigger number. See, this is 4x, 3x. 4x minus 3x is equal to x. Now, which is bigger number, 4 or 3? 4, right? Before that, this 4x, what is the sign? This one, minus. This you have to consider, not this. Okay? Because when we subtracted, we changed the signs. The changed sign is this minus. Okay? So bigger number is 4. The sign in front of this 4 is minus. That minus you have to write here, minus x. So this minus x you write here. Whichever is left here, 1 is left, plus 1. That you bring down. So plus 1. Okay? Just 1 minute. So, next term, consider this first term, consider the first term here. Okay, if you multiply by something to this x, we should get minus x. So, first take this x into, if you multiply this x by something, we should get this minus x. Minus x. Just think about something which we can now take to multiply. Minus 1, right? Because x into minus 1 is equal to minus 1x. So that is equal to minus x only. Okay. So this minus you write here. Okay. Now consider this minus 1. We have to multiply this x first. X into minus 1 minus x. Next to multiply this plus 2. First plus into minus, minus 2 into 1, 2. Next we have to subtract. Okay. While subtracting, we have to change the signs of this. So here minus is there, it will become plus. Here minus is there, it will become plus. Okay. Next, minus into plus, minus. That means you have to subtract. Okay. X, x, both are same, we can cancel out. Okay. Next, here plus is there, here plus is there. Plus into plus, plus. That means we have to add. We have to add this 1 and 2. So 1 plus 2, 3. Okay. See, whenever you get 0 here, we have to stop here. We have to stop the division process. Not only 0, the another condition is there. When we have to stop the division process, this polynomial division, 1 when we get 0 here. Okay. Second case, when the degree of this, degree means, for example, I am considering, so 3 can be written as 3 into x to the power of 0, because x to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So 3 into 1 is equal to 3 only. Okay. So I am writing 3 as 3x to the power of 0. Okay. Now first degree you consider. Degree means highest power of x in the given polynomial. So here highest power is what? Only one x term is there. Only one x power 0. Here degree is 0. Correct? Here degree is what? Consider x which is highest power. Here is only one x. There are no other x terms. Only one x is there. Consider what is its power. Here x means x to the power of 1. So highest power of x is 1. Okay. So its degree is 1. Okay. See, when the degree of this polynomial is less than the degree of this polynomial, I mean divisor, that time we have to stop the division process. First condition, when we get 0, we have to stop the division process. We did not get 0, we got 3. Okay. But another condition is there. Degree of this is 0. Degree of this divisor is 1. See, this 0 is less than this 1. Cut it. When degree of this is less than degree of this, that time we have to stop the division process. Okay. So, under two conditions, we have to stop the division process. So here, since 0 is less than 1, we have to stop the division process, and this is the remainder. This is called quotient. Okay. That's all. Hey, if you want to say anything related to my teaching, okay, or related to this concept, if you want to ask any doubt, or if you want me to change my teaching style a little bit or whatever, if you don't understand anything here, whatever, you mention in the comment. Okay, I will follow the comments. Definitely I will reply to your comments also. And if you like this, please click on like and subscribe. Thank you.